challenges are immense for the researchers. And if I list some of the important challenges that any researcher faces in his or her career, I would say following 2-3 challenges could be more prominent, like effective time management. Because when you do the research, you are not only doing the research, but at the same time you have multiple responsibilities. You may be the research associate in your university or in your institute, and at the same time you may be having, if you are having prior experience, or if you are doing research simultaneously with your part-time or full-time job, that may also create a problem on the side of the time management, and you have to manage the family also. So you have to be very careful, or you have to prioritize and set goals in terms of time management. How will you spend your times on different activities, so that research is not compromised in any way. But that way I'm saying, setting the goals and priority could be quite useful in terms of time management. And also in some cases, we have the challenge in terms of getting the excess of resources, limited resources. In some cases we don't have, some researchers face the challenge about accessing the resources in terms of library resources, database or softwares, because your library may not be subscribing the full journals, or you don't have the software and other things. So to overcome such things, you may possibly collaborate with some of the researchers that are having these access, or you may rely, or you may look only for the open access journals, so that you need not to go for the paid subscriptions and so on. And also another challenge in terms of funding is, like, researchers don't have the funding for the for their research. So in that case, because in some journals you may have the submission fee, and also for different research activities, like if you are attending the conference, you need the money, registration fee or travel support. So you may look for different funding opportunities from different agencies, and try to write a good research proposal, so that your this problem can be overcome to some extent, if not completely. So in that case, you have to be very careful, and you must prepare a very nice research proposal, so that funding agencies can be approached, and they may see some value in your project proposal to award funding. And apart from funding, and then and also some, but that is mostly related to the funding, dissemination of the research. If you have funding, and you may collaborate with some of the peer researchers, maybe your researchers, or some faculty whom you can collaborate, so that some of the challenges may be overcome.